Hi, we're Immobiliser Fit. Today I protected this Range Rover SVR with a Starline Halo Plus. So as we know, thieves are cloning the keys, hopping in, trying to steal these vehicles. So if they do it with the Starline Halo Plus refitted, they clone the key, vehicle will start up, they go to drive off by selecting a gear, vehicle's going to shut down and we get a silent immobilisation. So there we go, nothing happens on the surface, but as you'll see the customer's phone begins to ring. Customer will get a phone call to be alerted that it's happened. There we go, getting a phone call. So if you're away from the vehicle, you'll be notified straight away that someone's attacked it. If the thief then tries to steal it again, start it up, you'll see the horn goes mad to alert anyone that's around, and the only way to silence it is with the code. So we'll select a gear, vehicle switches off, as you can hear the horns going mad. Oh, that was our code. As you see, keys going mad, vehicle won't start, needs the customer's code. So ignition on, put the code in, system's disarmed. Without that code it's going to keep going for a given time and then pause. It also has an anti-tamper system, so as you've seen recently they're cutting through the boot lid and then starting to strip the vehicle. If they do that, it's got anti-tamper to prevent against that. Also we'll ring the customer to alert them. When the customers drive this vehicle normally, they can either pair up their phone with an adjustable Bluetooth range, or they can go through a push sequence. So to use the push sequence, all they got to do, start it up, put their code in, hear their melody, there we go, the double bleep, and now it can be driven. If the customer isn't a fan of PIN codes, and they just want it to be as simple as possible, they can connect their phone up through Bluetooth range, it can be locked and in their pocket. All they got to do is hop in, start it up, get your double bleep, and you can drive it. As long as your Bluetooth's on, and it's within range, you don't need to do anything different than you would with a normal vehicle. Just hop in and start. To take this back to Range Rover and put it in service mode, you obviously don't want it to be immobilised, you don't want the horn going off, you don't want to give them a code or a phone, you just want it to be a standard car. Go into the app, press and hold this green, go past red to yellow. When it does, let go. One long tone and this is in service mode, so it's just a normal vehicle. When you get it back, you're going to want it secure, so just press and hold on here. Long tone again, takes it out. Now if we turn the ignition on, we get our double bleep to confirm it's disarmed. To test it, just turn the Bluetooth off on the phone, give it 10 seconds to set, and then attempt to attack the vehicle. Once again, this is the Starline Halo Plus immobiliser on a 2021 Range Rover SVR. We're Immobiliser Fit and our number is 0208 212 7393. So once again, they get in, try to steal the vehicle, select a gear, switches off, and the customer's alerted silently. So we'll just wait for the phone call to come through. There you go, as we can see, we're getting a phone call. Now if the thief does try it again, you'll hear the horn go crazy. So we select our gear, start it up, select the gear, horn goes mad, and we'll just pop the code in to silence it. Double bleep, system's disarmed, and the customer will be alerted again. If you want to get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. Thanks for watching.